The cryptocurrency industry has witnessed the arrival and departure of several coins. After 6 whole years, the PiNetwork finally rolled out its very own cryptocurrency. Pi entered the market making headlines. Despite a steep decline upon launch, the price of the asset has subsequently risen, hitting a new all-time high of $2.98 on February 27th. The real question is if the altcoin will continue this momentum and record an uptick in the coming month. Pi started at a low of 61.52 cents and managed to rise close to the $3 mark within a week of its launch. Throughout the past 7 days, the altcoin has surged by nearly 200%. At the time of writing, the PiNetwork fell prey to the overall market downtrend and was trading at $1.99. Over the past 24 hours, the asset witnessed a downfall of 25%. While the asset is still new, exchanges are skeptical about listing Pi. Recent data from Binance Square shows that 86% of participants supported listing the asset. More than 294,957 votes were cast in the community poll, which started on February 17th. As a result, just 0.12% of Binance's 250 million users participated in this poll. March 2025 Price Prediction. According to data from CoinCodex, Pi could witness a massive uptick in March 2025. The asset is expected to trade at a high of $8.23 following a 290% rise from its current price level. The average trading price of the asset could be around $4.89 during this month. In addition, the lowest that Pi will be priced at is $2.41. Why did the Pi coin price crash? Well, the Pi coin price has crashed for 3 main reasons. First, it has dropped because the developers decided to postpone the grace period of the Know Your Customer, or KYC period, until March 14th. This is actually the 3rd time that the developers have extended this period. They hope that the extension will help more pioneers migrate their tokens to the mainnet. Second, the PiNetwork price has plunged as the Binance listing remained elusive. However, a Binance listing may still be coming, as members of the community voted in favor of it by a wide margin. Third, Pi has dropped because of the ongoing weakness in the crypto market caused by Donald Trump's tariffs. These tariffs will lead to slow economic growth and high inflation, and put the Fed under pressure to act. On the positive side, besides its strong technicals, PiNetwork price may rebound because of the potential Binance and other CEX listings. Also, there are signs that some merchants in countries like China, Vietnam, and South Korea have started to accept Pi coin, which may continue this year. PiNetwork may also benefit from the upcoming Trump Crypto Summit and his decision to create a crypto reserve. A far-fetched idea is where Pi is also included in the strategic crypto reserve, since it is a made-in-USA crypto coin. From IOU dreams to mainnet reality. Before the big day, Pi IOUs were just placeholders, not real coins. People traded them like Pokemon cards, with prices hitting $50 to $300 based on pure vibes, not value. Then boom, February 20th, 8 o'clock a.m. UTC, the open mainnet launched. According to CoinMarketCap, Pi coin hit exchanges like OKX, BitGet, HTX, and Gate.io, kicking off at $2.29 with a wild $1 billion in trading volume. Some quick math, about 6 billion tokens migrated, suggested a $12 to $14 billion market cap. Insane, right? But where is the hype now? Where is the enthusiasm of pioneers? Early miners who got Pi for free started dumping it fast. X posts were like, Pi coin released and it's a sell-off frenzy. The price tanked to 73.7 cents in days before chilling around $1.60 to $2. It's the classic crypto roller coaster, big dreams, bigger reality checks. The GCV fiasco. While many are struggling to fill the gap between IOU coins and real ones, the GCV group that boosted the price to $314,159 are still unwavering from their strong faiths. They continue to believe Pi will be actually this high in the near future.